And it's got Suzuki, and it's got salad greens, and it's got hummus. What?
It's got what? Suzuki? Is a car.
What is this then?
I don't know. It's not Suzuki. We almost died multiple times.
Multiple times. Yeah, you know what?
Every time I went, I felt like something else fall off the elevator. Last time I was like, we're gonna see if we survive this last elevator ride. What's up, y'all? We are here in the Bay Area. I had a little bit of a change of plans. We were supposed to go camping. Something happened to the RV. It needs to be repaired. Yeah, something happened with the RV. But we're here now and we are just chilling. Gotta go car shopping tomorrow for reasons, but yeah. This is dinner tonight. What did you get?
Oh, this is the protein plate from somewhere. But it has all these. Steak, and it's got Suzuki, and it's got salad greens, and it's got hummus. What?
Rewind. It's got what?
Hummus.
No, right before hummus?
No, greens.
What you call it?
I don't know. What do I call it?
Suzuki is a car.
Oh. What is this then?
I don't know. It's not Suzuki.
Anyway, I have pita chips and a pita bread.
Cool. So yeah, this is from Local Kitchens. And I got tomato soup, a Sushiritto, and then I got that chicken curry. Oh, this is our room. Hotel View. Hotel
View. It's interesting. It's nice.
Definitely kind of skimped on the room because I spent like $100+ on gas in the RV and couldn't use the RV. And even if I siphon the gas out, I can't use it in my cruise or the Volt. Not cool. Anyway, we're gonna make the best of it and hopefully it turns out well.
The hummus is super garlicky.
Super garlicky.
What is it? Zitsky? What is this white sauce? I can't remember what it's called.
It's not Suzuki.
Tzatziki? Tzatziki, that's what it is. Tzatziki. Shut up, I'm gonna punch you in a minute.
So violent. Alright, I'm gonna eat my tomato soup. So it's butter? How's your salad with the tzatziki sauce?
I don't know, I'm just adding it in this little pocket going on and dipping it in the hummus. It's delicious.
That's what, beef shawarma?
Beef shawarma, veggies, which just turned out to be lettuce, turmeric rice, and hummus. The chippies are delicious.
Yeah, they're not quite tortillas.
They're not quite tortillas. They're pita chips. Right?
So this is basically just a giant California roll, which is not a bad thing. Ooh, look at that.
What's this? That smells good.
Ooh, look at this. The curry chicken.
Go, this right here.
It might be spicy as heck, but it's good. Alright, we got breakfast here at the Hotel Vu. A delectable assortment of carbohydrates. I got 2 bagels. Hearty breakfast. So, do not disturb time, we didn't have one. So I asked for one, and this is what they gave me. Notice the immaculate handwriting. Cool thing though, we did find this. We have a balcony, a very small balcony, but a balcony nonetheless. All right, we're going to eat our amazing breakfast.
That brown one.
In Vista, I think. At least I know it's this kind. I know it's this kind. So we'll see. Just doing ice cream. So what did we get here?
We went to Beard Papa's.
Like Beard Papa's?
We went to Beard Papa's and they are cream puffs. Free strawberry shortcake with vanilla. And I got a plain one with vanilla. And they were kind of out. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They're closing in an hour, so whatever. Not what we got. But the whole reason why I stopped was when I got out of Daiso, everybody had a yellow box. So I was like, I need one too.
Is it good?
Oh, that's good.
Sounds like it's good.
That's real good. Oh.
So bueno.
So good. That's pastry cream. That's like good cream. That's not pudding. They didn't make pudding. They put pastry cream in here.
Ooh,
That's good stuff.
mine's okay, so. Not your favorite, I take it?
I don't care for this one. Yours. Yours has too much. But they put a white chocolate and then red strawberry stuff on top.
Ooh, yeah, yours is better.
Yeah. It's just sweet enough. That one's just, whoa.
And look at all that filling. Ooh.
Yeah, you got more filling than me, but it's just too much. Heck of people were coming out of this place and everyone had a yellow box. Like, I want a yellow box. What is it? But $4 a pop on my credit came out. I don't need a yellow box. I think if they still had the chocolate one, oh my God, it'd be fire.
So we didn't buy the car yet. Thinking about it, but the market might be a little too hot right now.
Right.
I don't know if I want to pay that much. But who knows? We might still go for it. So now we're just like, we're done. We're
Done.
shopping for a car for now. We're just gonna go relax at the hotel. Alrighty. So we're here in Hotel Vu. What's wrong with this?
You know, at least they requested it. I would just like to know if it passed. or
Especially
if
wait this elevator.
Wait. Oh, it's only when we get to the bottom.
When you get to the bottom, yeah.
It's the bottom.
There's our do not disturb sign still there.
Yep.
Alright. So we're getting breakfast, but let's look at this elevator. Okay, yeah, see? See? This elevator's sketch. Yeah, see? So we are checking out of the Hotel Vu. We're gonna see if we survived this last elevator ride.
Oh, Mother Jesus. Okay, we're up, okay?
At least I didn't hear the thing like fall off.
Something falls off.
It like sounds like this thing's falling apart.
Oh, watch the ending.
Hi. Well, we survived.
We survived. We went to the car dealership. This brother didn't even bother to tell anybody. I had food all over my mouth for an hour and a half from talking to the guy. And I've got like salt on my mouth and there's like a little french fry bit right over here in the corner. Didn't say nothing to nobody.
Maybe I didn't
He
know.
just let me sit there. And then we tried to tell this fool, oh, we haven't had lunch yet. As our excuse to get out of the dealership. I had food on my face.
Maybe that's why they didn't give us the deal we were looking for.
Yeah,
They're
they knew we were liars.
These
'Cause-
people just ate McDonald's. They say they're gonna go for lunch. Bastards. What do you want to eat for lunch?
Oh yeah, our breakfast was meh.
Yeah, what the heck?
Their continental breakfast consisted of toast,
Bagels,
bagels,
cream cheese,
cream cheese,
grape jelly.
grape
Only
jelly.
grape jelly.
Only grape jelly.
Only grape
Honey
jelly.
and old bananas, which would have been perfect if I was gonna make banana bread because they were at the right spot. And oranges that were not orange, they were yellow.
And coffee.
Oh, and they had coffee.
The funny thing is they have like serving trays underneath.
Yeah, but what? You've only given me toast.
Yeah. Hotel Vu. Oh yeah. So what do you think Hotel Vu?
In a crunch, it fit. I mean, it was fine. It was meh.
We almost died multiple times.
Multiple times. Yeah, you know what? That's a...
The elevator, there was no permit. It just said, the letter that says, thank you for applying for the permit. Every time I went, I felt like something else fall off the elevator. The last time I went, I was like, zzz-king.
Oh, even the staff. So I ran into a staff member on my way going down. And he goes, yeah, I never take this thing going down. because it's always so slow. He's like, I always take the stairs. Sure enough, by the time I got downstairs, he was already there. I was like, oh, you beat me. And he's like, yeah, I told you. If the staff doesn't even feel like it's worth it to go on the elevator, maybe we shouldn't either.
Towards the end, I was like, as soon as it stopped, I jump out because I feel like it's gonna go pancake. And then the lady opened the door while we were in the room.
Yeah, that was great.
Because we didn't have our professionally made do not disturb sign Sharpie that we got from the front desk, so it was an official do not disturb sign. Good times, Hotel Boo. It's amazing what you can do with Photoshop and
it looked nice in the picture. It looked real nice, looked nice.
The parking lot looked a lot bigger. We're checking out Pacific Food Hall for lunch. Yeah, real looks. You know what I don't get? We're in an Asian food hall, but we are watching telenovelas. So what'd you end up getting?
I ended up getting the fried plate, which is nothing but fried food. But I got a bunch of dumplings, baby dumplings, big dumplings, and an egg roll. So they have baby dumplings, and then big dumplings, and an egg roll.
Wow. And this is from which one? That one. Yeah, looks good.
And then I got bananas.
Chicken pot sticker or pork pot sticker?
Chicken, these are chicken. Well, I don't know about these little teeny ones, but this is, I think it's a chicken. I got chicken dumpling.
Oh, that's me. How's your egg roll?
Hot.
Hot. This is what I got. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Popcorn chicken and a rice cake of some sort. Ooh, that's good. See this rice cake. This one just looked interesting.
What's that?
The rice cake. Yours is good overall?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
Where are we now?
We're at Ghirardelli's.
Ghirardelli's Chocolate Factory. What are you thinking?
Either this gold rush caramel almond sundae. That looks delicious.
Oh.
The sea salt caramel banana shake, that sounds good too. You do a milk chocolate apple.
You do what?
You do a milk chocolate caramel apple. This one is 3 of these.
Right. You can even build your own tin. It's cool.
That would be fun. See? Where's my thing that I would buy?
Oh yeah. So what was that? You said you would drive
I
out
would
here
literally drive to the Bay Area.
to the Bay Area, and then you found it in the regular store.
It's a real regular store. It was like this, but it's tiny. It's a concentrated one.
So we got our, what did you get?
Ghirardelli. Is that mix and match?
Chocolate lover shake and you said mix and match?
Yeah. Oh, and I got a chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate chip cookie?
Yep. This cookie better make me skinny.
Very chocolatey.
I dip.
Huh?
I dip.
It's okay.
Not $6 worth.
That's good though.
This good stuff. Taste it. Taste it. So good. And then one white chocolate caramel square. So
I don't mind the texture of yours, but this one's better.